In Colombo, on our tour to Sri Lanka, we went to the iconic Lotus Tower. What we witnessed here was one of the marvel of nature. While the Lotus Tower had a lot to offer, and we really made most of it, but it was what we found outside that really interested us a lot. The outside walls of the Lotus Towers were lined with these beautiful eye catching plants having thick, green, shiny leaves which were arranged in this spiral manner on the stem. The plants are filled with these red color cones. These cones are known as bracts and they contain the yellow and white color flowers. In this 1 minute clip, Team Doctor will share the growing tips of red button ginger or the Scarlet Spiral flag. Leave your feedback in the comment section. It's me, Dr. Lee from the Team Doctor signing off. Take care.